Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito naman kami ni Rhea para pag-usapan natin yung bagong topic natin for episode 3. Maraming salamat sa nanonood sa first episode namin about economics, kung paano nangyayari ang trading sa buong mundo, at sa second episode about spread, pips, and lot sizes. Sa third episode guys, pag-uusapan natin tungkol sa support and resistance, kung paano gumagalaw ang chart sa pang-araw-araw na basis ng market. Kung saan man kayo ngayon guys na nanonood, maraming salamat at sana safe kayo sa pandemic, na layo kayo sa mga sakit. Tsaka marami ding salamat sa mga nag-comment na nasiyahan sa ginawa namin na video na to para makapag-share ng bagong informasyon sa darating na mga generation ng mga kabataan na matuto sa trading. Kasi sa panahon ngayon guys, we are in the informational age na yung traditional na job ay slowly na napapalitan ng iba't ibang paraan kung paano kumita sa online na kahit sa bahay ka lang. Ngayon guys, kung pagtuunan natin ng pansin yung mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon, kung mag-adapt tayo, marami talaga mararating natin pag tayo ay grow o nagli-learn sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Maraming salamat guys sa panunood at sana makapagbigay kami ni Rhea ng magandang impormasyon tungkol sa pamamaraan kung paano tayo makapag-trade sa currency market. Sana guys, mayroon kayong makukuha na aralin sa topic natin ngayon at sana mag-enjoy kayo. Hi guys! Ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung kung ano ang galaw ng market. Ngayon guys, bago ko yung support and resistance, ipaalam ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ng market. May dalawang paraan na ginagawa yung market. For example, mayroon tayong tinatawag na kung bull yung market, may tinatawag na higher high. Okay? Higher high. Ito yung tawag ng pag bull, yung bias ng market is yung buyers ay nandyan. Pagkatapos guys, ang ginagawa ng market, bago siya mag-akyat galing sa higher high, gagawa siya ng lower high. Ganito yung ginagawa ng market guys. Gagawa siya ng lower high. Ito yung lower high dito guys. Pagkatapos niya maka-create ng lower high, gagawa naman siya ng higher high. Isusulat ko guys para makita nyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Itong tawag dito guys is lower high. Okay. Ngayon, ito yun siya guys. Pag ang market nanggaling dito sa baba, pag bull yung yung bias ngayon na week or month, ang ginagawa ng market is it will rally up to form higher high. Pagkatapos, ang gagawin na naman ng pag ma-reach na yung higher high, if the market still bull or bullish, yung market is mag-create ng lower high. Parang i-test niya yung support. Parang ito yung, ang tawag ng lower high guys, is yung correction ng market sa support para mag-push sa price to move up. And then, ang gagawin, yun yung ginagawa ng market na mag-create na naman ng lower high to test the previous higher high. Ito yung higher high guys. Tingnan natin. This is the previous higher high. Ngayon, na-break niya yung higher high. It means the bull is still there. So, pag nagtitrade tayo guys, ang kadalasan nangyayari dito tayo mag-set ng entry, which is not a good idea. If the price will break the previous higher high, let's just let it go, and then once you know that the price breaks the previous higher high, we have to wait the price to move back na magbalik dito sa previous higher high level. Ito siya guys. Ito siya. Dito na previous higher high level. Pag ang price, pag mag-entry ka, wag dito sa pag-break o sa taas. Hintayin natin guys na yung price is magbalik dito sa previous higher high para sa entry na doon kung hindi mo nakuha yung first lower high ng bull market. Ngayon guys, ganun pa rin yung system guys pag yung bull yung nasa guys. Ilagay ko yung trend. Ito yung tawag guys na bullish trend. Ito yung guys, yung trend na ginagawa kapag yung setup or bias is bull. Ngayon guys, let's take a look with this one. And again, from the bottom, it creates higher high and then creates lower high. From lower high, it breaks the previous higher high. And then, this is our first entry here. Not there, but here to place our entry. Because we are bull. Yun. If naset natin yung target, yun. And then, the price will, again, creates lower high. So, ganito ang moves ng bullish guys, na it creates higher high, lower high, and then higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and then creates higher high. Once na pag malaman natin guys, pag yung trend is parang maging na siya, maging bear trend. Ito yung siya mga sellers guys. Sellers or bearish or bearish trend. Yun. Ay, parang maganda siya. Tingnan mo na guys. Parang mali siya. Bearish trend. Let's remove. Okay. Let's set again. Alright. Bearish trend. Bearish trend. Alright. Okay. We can. Sorry. Na mali yung ano. Ayun. Ilagay natin bearish trend. Okay, yun. Malaman natin guys pag yung trend is yung bias is naging bearish. Kasi pag yung previous lower high is ma-break, which is this one, if the price will break this previous lower high, it means the seller is now coming. Kaya yun siya guys. Na-break ng previous na-break yung previous lower high ng price. So, nangyayari nito guys, yung trend, instead na bullish, ngayon, yung market ay, ngayon, yung bear is nandyan na. Kaya, once you see this kind of moves, you should have to take profit and close the trade. So, for example, ngayon guys, dito, na-break ng price yung lower high. Ano pala guys, yung price is, yan yung tawag ng mga traders sa level kung saan yung level ng market kung saan siya ngayon. Yan yung price. For example, dito sa bull trend, umakyat siya ng level nito, like for example, this one, this level, and then it breaks back the lower high. It means the price breaks the lower high, yung trend is mag-iba na. Ngayon, ang setup nito guys is bull. Ang bear, iba naman yung bear. Ang ginagawa ng bear guys, kasi ito, na-break niya yung lower high. Ang ginagawa naman ng bear, ganito guys. Once the bear breaks the previous lower high, it will test back that level to test the previous lower high and then move back down. Ganyan siya guys. So ngayon guys, sa bearish trend, ang tawag naman dito guys, sa upside is higher low. Ito siya guys na pag once ang market will create higher low, it means the trend is now in a bear or bear trend. Ngayon, pag ang market from the bull trend and then nag-create siya ng higher low, it means yung bull hindi na siya wala, parang mas malakas yung bias pag yung market is nag-create ng higher low. Kasi yung mga sellers is dumating. Ang nangyari guys, yung trend naman ng bearish is ganito guys. Mag-create ng higher low, pagkatapos gagawa siya ng lower high. Ito yung lower high. Lower high. So ngayon guys, sa bearish trend, ito yun guys. Yung price is breaks the previous lower high ng bull. Ngayon, sa higher low, ito yung start ng trend ng bear. Once you see na mag-create yung market ng higher low, and then it will push the price down and it will create lower high. And then, pag mag-create ng lower high si market, anong gagawin niya? From lower high, ang gagawin niya is to test the previous lower high dito. Ilagyan natin. Ititest niya yan na level ng lower high at ito ay magiging higher low. Pagkatapos, from higher low, dahil malakas yung level na dyan, ito yung trend guys na nangyayari pag bear trend. Pag na-break ng price yung lower high, ka-create naman siya ng lower high dito. From lower high, ititest niya yung lower high ng previous at yun ay magiging higher low. Yung price is nagating sa higher low to test that level and it push the price down at mag-create naman ng bagong lower high. Yan yun guys ang ng market, ang nangyayari kung sa bull or sa bear. Pag ang price from lower high and then ma-break niya yung previous na level ng lower high guys, ito yung ma-break na yung previous higher low, it means the bull is now coming. Yun yung nangyayari guys sa market. Pag hindi niya ma-break yung higher low guys, so it means the trend is bear. Yun. Ito yung bearish trend guys. Let's tingnan natin balik guys. Sa bull, from this level, it creates higher high and then it creates lower high and then again the price breaks this level or we call it higher high, so the bull is in there, kaya na-break niya. So anong gagawin ng bull pag ma-break niya yung higher high? Ma-break means parang ano niya, mag-close siya above this level. So, it means pag ma-break niya tong level na to ng higher high, it means the bull is strong enough to push the price up kasi yung trend is bull. Pagkatapos, it creates another higher high dito. It creates another higher high. So, sa market guys, mayroon siyang tinatawag na correction wave. Ito yung, yung correction kung anong ginawa ng market. Magawa siya din ng lower high. And then, balik na naman, ma-break niya yung higher high to create higher high. Ang nangyari, na-break niya tong higher high dito. So, ngayon, from higher high, it creates again lower low level on this previous higher high. Mag-test yung from the new higher high, the price will test back the previous higher high. That's normally happening if we are in a bullish trend. And then, if the price will test the previous higher high, we can manage to see it kung ano yung magiging reaction ng price sa previous level. If ngayon guys, dito yung lower high is na dito, so hindi niya na break yung previous higher high. And then this, what we call the support, with this correction wave, this higher high level pushes, it pushes the price up. And then dito, parang to make sure that the bullish trend is still there, we have to check it. And then look at what happened with this one, guys. From this higher high, we are expecting to know if the trend is still bullish. We have to first see to it that the price will not break this level. Once the price will break this previous higher high, it means the seller is now coming in, or the bear trend. And now, what happened guys if the price will break this previous high and then close below the lower high? This is the lower high, guys. And then it breaks the lower high. So with this situation, guys, once yung bull hindi niya ma-hold yung price sa previous level ng na-create niya na higher high, it means that the bear pressure is now coming in the market. So, na-break niya yung lower high. So, it means it's not valid now for buying this currency pair because the price breaks already the lower high. So, the trend changes now its momentum. So, it's now in a bearish trend. So, like what I said, guys, yung trend ay nagbago na kasi na-break niya yung previous lower high. So, this is now the bear coming. And yung ginagawa ng bear din is it will create lower high and then create higher low. And then, with this higher low, it pushes back the price down and create lower high. So right now, we can see, makita natin yan guys, pag yung price is strong, yung level is strong enough to hold the price. Like with this lower high back here. If the price tests this previous lower high, it means it's strong enough para ma-hold yung price to push the price down. So, it creates another higher low. Ngayon, ang mangyayari, dahil itong level na to is malakas, tsaka it can hold the price, so it means the seller is still there. So, nangyayari, again, it will push the price from this level, from the previous lower high, it tests the price there, and then it breaks the lower high and creates new lower high. So ngayon, we have another lower high, and then from that one, from lower high, it tests again the previous lower high to push the price back down. Yun. Yan yung bearish trend, guys. Ito, guys, this is what we call the trend line. It's also useful to parang malaman natin kung yung trend is still in a bull, kasi it's mathematically calculated kung saan yung price pumupunta. Once the price breaks this trend line, yung nangyayari, yung trend is nag-iiba. Like for example, with this one, the price breaks the trend line and also the lower high. The lower high. Yep, ito. Okay. So, ang nangyayari, it breaks our trend line and also the previous lower high. So, anong gagawin ng market? From that level, alam natin na na-break niya yung trend line at saka yung previous lower high. Ang nangyayari, ang gagawin ng market o yung price, again, will test this previous lower high. Yun yung correction wave to push the price down. Creates lower high and then test the previous lower high and creates higher low. And then test back the lower high from this break from lower high, it will create another higher low. Yun. Yan yung bear trend at ito yung bull trend. At mayroong din guys, sa market guys, is may apat na trend. Ito yung bull, bear, at mayroon din tayong tinatawag guys na ranging. Yung ranging guys, yun yung pag yung price is walang ginagawa guys, parang ganyan-ganyan lang siya, parang This is what we call ranging. Pag ganyan yung market, guys, we will not participate on this kind of what we call this market. Pag nakita natin yun, guys, na ganito, na yung market is ganito, hayaan natin kasi normally ito yung klase ng ginagawa ng market pag yung market is hindi, parang indecision siya, yung parang nagre-range siya, yun. Tsaka yung pangatlo is pang-apat, yung tinatawag natin na sideways. Pag yung price, guys, ganyan, parang sideways lang siya, yun, bumalik pa siya, yun yung sideways, guys. Ano din yan siya, kailangan din mag-ingat dyan kasi yung price, parang indecision siya, yun. Ito yun, guys. From bullish trend, and bearish trend, ito yung hintayin natin na mag-form. Tsaka lagi nating tandaan na iwasan natin yung range. I-type ko, guys, para malaman niyo yung range or ranging. Range or ranging. Yun. Ito yun siya, guys. Pag mag-range yung market o tinatawag na ranging or consolidation, huwag tayo mag-participate dito, guys, kasi dito tayo natatalo. Yun. Tsaka yung sa tinatawag na talagang mag-ingat tayo na mag-participate dyan. Ngayon, guys, let's take a look at our market. Ito yun siya, guys. Dito, guys, the bull trend. Ito yung bull trend, guys. From this low, the price creates higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Pero hindi niya na-break yung trend line. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and then boom, it breaks the trend line. So ngayon, dito, ang nangyayari, na-breaks niya yung trend line, hintayin natin na mag-retest dito sa support na to, tsaka dito tayo ng entry. Yun yung mangyayari, guys, na once the price breaks our previous lower high, nag-create siya ng higher high, but then, hindi nag-hold yung lower high dito, na break niya, boom, it pushed the price down sa dito. Pagkatapos nag-test siya sa previous break ng trend line. Yun. Dito din sa sample na to, guys. The price creates lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then boom, it breaks our trend line, and then also it creates lower high. This is, guys, the lower high. Ito, guys, na break niya, it creates lower high, entry, boom, creates lower high, breaks niya yung trend line, entry, boom. Yun. That's it, guys. At salamat sa inyo. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa The Moves FX. Sana makapagbigay ito ng kaalaman para malaman nyo yung nangyayari about forex trading at saka sa simpleng paraan matututo tayo basta open-minded lang tayo at hindi tayo maghinto. Yan yung talaga yung kahit sa real life guys, once we failed, dapat hindi tayo mag-stop. Kasi yung mga tao lang na nag-quit is yun yung nang maging hindi magiging hindi matuto sa mga bagong pamamaraan kapag nag-give up tayo. Kaya sa trading din guys, it's all psychological na guide or psychological approach kung paano natin i-approach si market. Tsaka sa next video guys, pag-uusapan natin yung psychological approach tungkol sa forex trading. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you for watching and may the force be with you.